Hi and welcome to this week's edition of High Events for High TV. I'm Lalanga Dhanapala and tonight I'm here at Kingsbury Hotel where Phadna Shape Up Tea is celebrating findings made by Peppercube Consultants Private Limited. Now apparently 96% success is what they're looking at with regards to taste, weight loss and weight maintenance. It's definitely a success and it's something to be celebrated. They've made their mark on an international level. We're here just to check out the findings and to hear a few of the comments from the managing director, the doctors involved in creating the formulation and a few more people. So please stay with us. I have with me the Managing Director of Phadna, Mr. Chamindra Somatunga. A very, very good evening to you, sir, and congratulations on this incredible result. You must be incredibly happy. 96% success in terms of weight loss, body image and health as well. Tell us, I've heard that it's more than a product, it's more about a lifestyle that you are trying to nurture amongst the population of Sri Lanka and around the world. Tell us, why is that important for you?
Actually, our main ambition was improve the happiness of the lifestyle. We try to introduce natural resources in easy to use manner, and in that way we use ancient formulation, and we use new technologies, and people what they like the taste, and we add everything.
That's fantastic, because taste is important if the product is going to be consumed. How did you go about ensuring that the taste of Phadna tea was something that was pleasant to the consumer?
Our consumer, and they said that 99% of them, they're happy with the taste.
That's phenomenal.
Actually, beyond the goodness, we have to enjoy the product. That means taste should be there.
I have with me now the man who's responsible for the formulation of Phadna Shape Up Tea, Dr. Vijay Ratna. Tell us, was it difficult to come up with the right composition and the winning formula?
Yeah, actually, we found out that Goraca, the Garcinia, has the active ingredient that is hydroxycitric acid, which makes you slim because it gets involved in the Krebs cycle, where the fat deposition get arrested or get retarded. But then coming up with the product and the formulation is the most difficult thing, because you can't eat Goraca, it doesn't taste good. And also if you make a tea, then you have to grind it and get a powder, and also it has to be palatable. So that was the most difficult part. So we have to keep the active ingredients active, and also we have to make it palatable.
So well done on making all of that happen. A 96% success rate is most definitely an accomplishment worth bragging about. How do you see Phadna tea progressing from here? What would be the next step for you all?
The next step is to have a more acceptable product, because sometimes the people don't like the flavors. So we have to have a kind of a natural flavor, acceptable flavor to the local crowd. They need something like a local flavor, not a foreign flavor. Like sometimes people say, okay, this tastes like peaches, which is kind of foreign to us. So we are trying to come up with a local flavor which will mask the Goraka off taste, but then we have to keep the active ingredients active. That is the most difficult part, because some of the flavors will really retard the activity. So we don't want that to happen.
Bumped into a very important individual tonight, the Deputy General Manager, Mr. Darshana Pereira. Now tell us, why should the average individual trust Fadna compared to any other brand on the market?
We just want to create an active and a happy life for our consumers, right? And so then we thought of giving some insight for them to encourage themselves to face for the entire future, right? So then we found that the Fadna has been worked for them in a good way and a trusted way. So then we just want to maintain our product quality, the standard, everything. And ultimately, we got the result, our consumers have said the Fadna is a perfectly all right brand for them to maintain their figure.
What would you say, what are your feelings regarding the competition out in the world?
Yeah, as our chairman said, we don't have any competitors of our products. We just want to be unique among the other competitors. We have catered in a good way and a unique way. So we believe that we don't have any competitors and our product is very unique, and always we keep and then make them trusted on our product to get in shape, good in shape, and to make their life active and happy.
And not to repeat ourselves, but what would you say makes you unique?
Unique means uniqueness is always keep our promise as they expected. It's not aspiration, but the lot of products in the world, in the market, current scenario, it has an aspiration value. We keep the aspiration value, but still we take our customers to reach up to that level.
I have with me Mr. Atik Marika, the CEO and Managing Director of Peppercube Consultants Private Limited, the individual who can tell us that the data is legit, the findings did actually get found, and that this product is definitely one that can be considered credible. Am I right?
That's correct. So like I said at the presentation, we did two parts to it. The first part was to understand the awareness of the product, whether people knew about the product. And that's where you got within that specific category, which is the body shape space, there was about 50-odd% awareness levels at top of mind. But what you're referring to more was the second one, where we went to verified Fadna users. So we ensured that they were using Fadna, currently using Fadna. They've used it for 3 months. And amongst those groups, we asked them whether the product has helped them. And 90-odd%, over 96% was happy with the product, and they said it has worked for them.
Fantastic. Now tell me, in terms of the diversity of the group, the sample group, how did you decide to choose the demographic?
So we'd agreed with the client that we will do the research in the Greater Colombo area. So the geographic location was Greater Colombo. The product, because of its price point, is catering to what we call the socio-economic class of A, B, C, so slightly more affluent. Its socio-economic class is not pegged to income, but in some form or other you can understand that it has an income play into it as well. Amongst those people, relatively affluent, yes, right? It's not a product that's going to be used across the country because of its current price point. But amongst that group, it was a diversified group of people across Colombo district, right? From all parts of Colombo district. So yes, we went up to places like Homagama, Maharagama. We went to Colombo 7. We went to places like Dematagoda, Maradana, that area. We went to Battaramulla, Kaduella, places like that as well. So it was a relatively diverse portfolio of Fadna users. And identifying the FADNA user was done independent from FADNA. FADNA did not give us a database of clients. We went on our own and found these people, ensured that they're verified users, and then tested it among them.
All around the world, people say that green tea is good for you if you're trying to lose weight. What makes FADNA different to all the other brands out there?
Yeah, FADNA Shape Up Tea is one of the most special tea in the Sri Lankan tea industry, and it is a value-added tea in Sri Lanka. Actually, this has made by the green tea extract and Garcinia extract. Now, it's really good for the fat burning in the our body and make our body shape and our beautiful figure. And this product is really good for the figure-conscious ladies.
Which is always very important. Now, Goroka
Yes. Yeah.
is the key, isn't it? That's what makes it different.
Yeah.
Just in terms of what they've done to make it tasty,
Yes.
palatable.
Yeah.
Tell us what they've done.
Yeah, actually, the aroma and the taste is really important when we make anything, when we are making any other products that's in the production. So we have added one of a vanilla flavor to this tea. Now it's very palatable, and the aroma. So anybody who likes to consume our product, anybody can, because this tea is really good for the figure shape who is going to maintain.
And that brings us to the end of another edition of High Events for High TV here at the Kingsbury, celebrating a Sri Lankan victory, really. FADNA Shape Up Tea, 96% success rate for a healthy lifestyle, healthy living, to just feel better. Please try it out the next time you visit your local supermarket. For High Events, High TV, I'm Lalanga Dhanapala.